नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपले यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल। आज आपण बघणार आहोत MS-CET एक्झाम 2025 बद्दल बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन काय आहेत त्याची माहिती आज या व्हिडिओमधून आपण घेणार आहोत। चला तर मग सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला। व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट्स करा, जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओ शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका। बेसिक MS-CET exam information. It is conduct once in a year. Total 32 subjects are there. Next, conduct by SPPU University of Pune. Next, total 6% students are qualified. Any second year PG student are appear for exam. Next, there is a no age limit criteria. Conduct by Maharashtra and Goa. Only one subject is allowed. This year 15 June 2025 exam is offline. No negative marking system. Separate passing is required in both papers. It does not provide any GRF or SRF. Completely objective test of both papers. Once you qualified, you cannot give it number of times. After qualifying exam, you are eligible for an assistant and professor in senior college. Paper 1 will be in two language, English as well as Marathi. Next, paper 1 will have 1 hour and paper 2 will 2 hours. Two papers are there. Total 300 marks of exam. Paper 1 is general and paper 2 is for special subject. Paper 1 marker distribution is following. First, total 10 topics. Each topic contains 5 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. Each topic is for 10 marks. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and 10 into 10 is equal to 100 marks. Paper 2 marks distribution is following. Paper 2 has total 100 questions. Each question has 2 marks. In this way 2 into 100 it is equal to 100 marks. For more information go through website setexam.unipune.ac.in. तर ही होती बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन MS-CET एक्झाम बद्दल 2025 बद्दलची। व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट्स करा, जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओ शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका।